This is our feast day, in which we are going to show that together with one heart and soul and mind, we build the Diocese of Lira. We are born for that as baptized faithful. So this theme of unity in the Acts of the Apostles and in John's Gospel is centered around the concept of being one heart, one soul, one mind. It is difficult in practical terms, somebody can say. But this unity is not just a superficial agreement between us to be together, no. But it is a deep spiritual connection among believers, among you and me. The early Christian community is described as being one heart, one mind, and one soul.
Today, we are at Lira Cathedral. We have been invited to come and participate in the celebration of 56 years that Lira Diocese has been in existence. So for me, as a Catholic and as a Christian, I should embrace such functions because we want to thank God so much for really enabling the establishment of different churches in the world, including the Catholic Church. Because even leadership starts from the church. Leadership starts from the church because the church teaches us morals. It teaches us how to lead our people. It teaches us many things that we have to convey to the people, to the community. Even the people we lead are the children of God. So God's ways will always enable us to even lead people better.
We cannot just come and celebrate. We have come to make sure that we put everything together, our soul, our mind, our gifts, the different gifts that the Lord has given us, to make sure that we complete the house of the bishop. And this is very important because the church, as you see it like that, the church is one body which unites everybody together. The church has played tremendous role as far as education, as far as health is concerned. And now, as a country, we are faced with a very serious problem of corruption. And there is no any other place where we, as Christians, as the people of God, come together to make sure that all these bad habits, we pray over them and the Lord help us so that we move as a team, we move as a country, we move as people, we belong to God.
This year's celebration, I'm very happy because it's 56 years our diocese exists since 1968. Nowadays in diocese we have 30 parishes, and I want to thank our bishop to give us more parishes and sub-parishes included. We have about 1,200 chapels in Lira Diocese.
So we have to cooperate, we have to do work together. As today we are celebrating Lira Diocese, our theme is one heart, one mind, and we have to work together as we work for peace and harmony.